For our sophomore year 2018, I welcome you guys to Raven Village. This is a room on the first floor. I won't tell you which room because I don't want you stuck. But room on the first floor. This is the living area. The room comes with all this furnished. So 2 couches, coffee table. Over here merges into the kitchen. So nothing special in here. You get your mini fridge as usual, which has the basic amount of storage, little freezer, but that's all you get. The kitchen has tons of storage. This is my section over here. Lots of room for you to put all your stuff. And then all this. The only drawer that doesn't open is this one here. Okay, so that's the kitchen. So this is kind of a weird spot to get. There is a door here if you wanted to shut that other area out. Behind here, since the door stays open, this is where we keep our mop and broom. Because actually this door is actually just a, like, what do you call that? Either a water heater or something that you're not gonna use. So you just keep this door open. Over here is my bathroom. So as you can see, I just have the basic stuff that anybody would use in the bathroom. Naya's recording. Say hi, Naya. You have storage here, and you also have your storage here, storage up here, and then under storage. Now to the bathroom. So this is our bathroom. We just have, the basic necessities, toilet and shower. Okay, so this is my room. It's very small, but if you guys watched my tour from last year, you guys saw that I shared a room with one person, and that was horrible. Now I have my own room. I decorated it the way I wanted to. I really like it. It's nice having the privacy. Over here, I keep my mirror where I pose and I check myself out. Okay, moving along. As you can see on the walls, I've added some little decals, some mirror circle decals. As you can see, we have our channel pulled up. So if you want to go like, subscribe, and you can even leave a comment if you want to. We respond very quickly. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and do that. Tell your friends. Now we go into the makeup section of the room. This is where I do my makeup. And, I know they say your desk is like where you're supposed to study, but I don't study on this desk. I study in my bed. Here's our lovely window where we get a good scenic view of the tennis court. And actually, if you look over there, you can see Bauer Stadium. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like right there. I really love my bed. It's quite comfortable. And, it's where I have all my little dreams. I added some twinkle lights above. Oh, also, I made this headboard. I have cardboard and like some fabric and whatnot, and it was pretty simple, but I didn't post up the video because this was kind of a trial run to see if I can do it. But I think I'm gonna do another one for my room next year, and that's gonna be a big project. So I think I'll film that one, and that'll be my first DIY. I made these corkboards again. I may DIY those too. I added some pictures on there. I just made them black and white so that they look kind of like classic, more fancy looking. Under my bed, I just have tons of storage. Like, no need to really like get into all that. It's just whatever I don't want out, I just store under my bed. And this bed, it rises, but it actually doesn't rise as high as the Piney Woods bed. So my Piney Woods bed was really tall, and I can actually fit this drawer underneath, but this year I couldn't do that because it doesn't lift as high. On to my closet, my lovely little closet. It's not as organized as I would like it to be, but it has, the stuff that you need in it. I found this little foldable ottoman at Ross for super inexpensive. I just threw all my shoes into there to keep them out the way. I have a lot. You guys probably saw that last semester that I had a lot of shoes in my room. Same clothes. Now I don't have that extra rack. I now have a closet that's big enough to hold all my clothes. I don't need the extra rack. I keep my towels in here and some shoes up here. Some extra ones that I like to keep in the box. But yeah, that's pretty much it in the closet. I have a little hanging rack here for some jackets, purses, stuff that I like to, grab and go really quickly. And then here I have my calendar, which I really suggest getting a whiteboard calendar because you can reuse it. It saves you a lot of money. And it's like if you make a mistake, then you erase it and you write it again. Or in college, you'll realize that a lot of dates change on all kinds of stuff. What is it called? Your professor will say something's due on this day and then say, oh, you know what, I changed it to this day. So I'm able to erase and change it as I go. And I really like that. I keep another academic calendar here so I know all like little Christmas breaks and whatnot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Has a ceiling fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That was my 2018 room dorm tour. Room dorm tour. That was my 2018 dorm.